What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you a get ready with me for my cousin's wedding, which I attended while we were in the Philippines. It was so beautiful. We had such a great time with friends and family. So I wanted to show you guys my makeup and also what I was wearing. Unfortunately, while I was there, I wasn't able to film it just because we were running so short on time, but I did definitely get lots of clips for you guys to see the wedding and what we were doing there and all the fun stuff. And I also recorded the makeup here and showed you guys what I was wearing. So I hope you guys like it. Mind you, I don't do these a lot just because I'm no makeup expert. This was a struggle because I don't really wear even this much makeup, to be honest. Only for special occasions like this, like a wedding. But I wanted to fill you guys in on what I wore, and obviously as far as beauty and stuff, I still think it's really nice to be as simple as you possibly can, but elegant as well, especially when attending weddings and events like such. So I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you guys think, and as always, let me know what you're looking forward to seeing next. And of course, make sure to keep up with my podcast. We're officially on Spotify now, so multiple ways you can listen to it from. And if you're listening, don't forget to comment below so I can give you a shout out at the beginning of my video. Thank you guys so much. I'm excited for the videos I will be uploading soon here to come, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next. Bye guys.
Let's just start with licking our lips apparently. So first I'm using the Clinique Brow Shaper, and yes, I already hit pan a long time ago on this baby. Well, I literally use my products up until I can't use them anymore. I just like the thickness and full definition it gives my brows. I don't really do anything besides that because I love my natural brows already as is. I just touch them up with this e.l.f. brow comb and brush that's only $1 at Target. I like makeup more when it's actually affordable. Now we are going to curl our natural lashes just to give them extra volume and length. Now I'm using the Naked palette in the shade Toasted. As you can see, I also have used this palette quite a bit in a few of the neutral shades. I don't let any of my makeup go to waste. I always make sure to get some shadow on the lower lids as well, only going about halfway in back to the crease. Here I am trying to size my lash to make sure it fits, always important in case you need to make them shorter. Tweezers are a lifesaver when it comes to applying lashes because, knowing myself, I am a train wreck and I'm always asking someone else to do it for me because I struggle with this more often than not. Okay, now we got our lashes on, but don't be fooled. I think I still messed up and applied them incorrectly, but let's just go with it. Now I'm using a liquid eyeliner from Wet n Wild, I believe, to go over my lash line and cover any areas that may be noticeable of where the lash is and make it look as natural as can be. Now using my go-to e.l.f. mascara, which is $3, I believe, and going to go over my natural lashes with the fake lashes to match them up. Now I'm using Clean and Clear Oil Control Film because your girl gets pretty oily in the T-zone areas, so this just helps get rid of excess oil before I apply foundation on so I don't look like a buttery pancake. Now this is my go-to foundation, the YSL Radiance Awakening Foundation. It's the only foundation that actually has a super flawless finish and doesn't break me out. It is on the pricier end, but it definitely lasts a while for me. I'm also applying it with my Makeup Brush Set foundation brush, literally the softest makeup brushes I've ever used, and makes my foundation go on evenly and smoothly. Now I'm using the Milani bronzer, going to contour my cheeks, the sides of my jawline, and the corners of my forehead, just because I think that's what you're supposed to do. Someone's definitely going to call me out for not being more knowledgeable about this. You guys have definitely seen this. I'm using the Almay Highlight Jelly on the apples of my cheeks to give a little natural highlight. So I got this lipstick when I was in the Philippines, so any vibrant pink shade will work, and I usually apply my favorite glitter gloss from Victoria's Secret. So now we move on to the hair. This is going to be a really simple look. It's basically just putting your hair up and in a bun as best as you possibly can and just pinning it to the best of your ability. Bobby pins on board, y'all. So what I like to do is just pull out hair from the sides or my baby hairs to complement the hair being up and out of my face. We did it, y'all, we did it. Just avoid looking at the rest of my hair in the back because I was experiencing some issues. Now we're just going to use hairspray to keep everything in place and also calm any flyaways going on, and try not to actually spray your face like me. So this is the final look. I wanted to feature the lashes I'm wearing by Jordaya Lashes in Diamond. These are my favorite and go-to lashes for all my special occasions. I also have a discount code you can use, which I'll include in the comments and description below. This is my gorgeous strapless dress I got on the sales rack from Macy's. We literally went to the mall every day just to find the right dresses, and this popped up last second, and I'm super happy I chose to wear this to the wedding. It's super cute and the design is so beautiful. You know, the little princess wanted to join since you guys didn't see her in the last video. That's my little baby.
To all present, I say, we are gathered here not to witness the beginning of what will be, but rather what already is.
Husband and wife. And so you may kiss the bride. You, for the first time, Mr. and Mrs.
This is my seat. If only my name was spelled correctly. No, I'm just kidding. It's alright. It happens. So beautiful. And it's also cocktail hour. There's the bride. There's the mommy.
Sorry, just a quick intermission. I hope you didn't switch your seats because
That's clever. I know, right? I made a mistake, guys. I was eating it before they were supposed to like put the soup in it. Oops.
You were like eating it.
I know, I was eating it already. I just couldn't wait. I went for it. Sorry, I'm a hungry hippo over here.
There's nothing else to compare. The side of you. Please let me know that it's real. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to check out my latest travel vlogs and my recent haul.